Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can create yourself a OpenSea account or sign up for OpenSea. Right now, before I teach you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. Now with that out of the way, let's move on with today's video now, shall we? First step, what you have to know is basically you need to have a wallet. All right, and if you have a wallet, then you don't need to create an account on OpenSea. Basically your wallet is your account on OpenSea. So for this video I'm going to be using an extension wallet, and I'm going to be using MetaMask wallet. So you can click on this little icon over here, puzzle icon, all your extension is going to be shown. So I have a MetaMask wallet. I have created myself a MetaMask wallet. You can easily get the MetaMask wallet from Chrome Web Store. Let me just show you how you can do that. You can go to like Chrome Web Store. Once you search for Chrome Web Store, click on Chrome Web Store. Over here you can just search for MetaMask. Once you search for MetaMask, click on MetaMask and add to extension. Once it's added, you can create yourself a MetaMask wallet account. Once you do that, you can go on OpenSea. Once you go on OpenSea, click on OpenSea, the largest NFT marketplace, opensea.io. Once you're over here, to create your account, just link your wallet. And how you can link your wallet is click on this icon and click on where it says MetaMask. And I can use any wallet you find easy. I'm just using MetaMask. Your MetaMask will open at the side. And once you're over here, enter the password of your MetaMask wallet. Click on unlock and it should unlock. Once it unlocks, it's gonna automatically connect to OpenSea, and you just created yourself an OpenSea account. That's how simple it is. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.